Hi, Joe here. In this video, I want to show you the fighting stance. How do we move in a fighting stance? What are the key points of the fighting stance? So we have different heights, different size, legs and stuff like that. So my fighting stance will be slightly lower compared to yours or vice versa. Perhaps you're a taller person, you'll have a different way to position yourself there. So if now, passive stance we covered earlier, semi-passive and fighting stance. Assuming that you are right-handed, yes, right-handed, right leg, you will stand on a fighting stance pretty much like this. Look, I'm keeping my feet shoulder width apart. So shoulder, shoulder, I'm taking a step forward. Let me go on this side here. Taking a step forward, right? Bending my legs a little bit, bringing my hands in front of me. I'm making a fist, bringing my chin down, shoulder slightly up, and I'm prepared. One hand is slightly forward. Watch from the side now. So passive stance, semi-passive, stepping forward, fighting stance. Look at my right heel here. Imagine there's a tennis ball underneath my heel, which is pushing me up. I want to bounce that direction. I want to be able to spring forward that way. So this heel should be off the ground. I'm also using the analogy that I'm standing over the rail tracks. There's some sort of a track here. I'm standing on it, shoulder width apart. If I need to move forward, I will slide the front leg forward and then recover with the back one. So I'm constantly keeping that gap between my feet. Going backwards, same story. Step, move. Now, from a different angle now. Stepping first, recovering, stepping, recovering. If I need to go sideways, going to my right, leading with the right leg, recovering with your left, going to my left, and then recovering my right. Okay? So, back and forth, one, sideways, sideways. So imagine this, top of the pyramid is here, the base is right there. So you're creating a triangle from that point of view. If you look from the side, now we also have a pyramid there. There's the front, there's another side, top of the head. So it will be this. I cannot have my head too far forward. I cannot have my head too far backwards. I need to be on the spot. Okay, from here, I will be able to throw counterattacks and combinations and use defenses and all the other things you're going to do with that. So now, one more point. I'm in a fighting stance. My left leg is forward. I'm attacking. If I need to move now 90 degrees to my left, I can only move one foot, which would be this one here. Nothing in front of me. I'm clear to move. I'm not going to trip over anything in the process. And then from there, I can engage again. Now, I need to move 90 degrees to my right now. I'm going to move this leg, where, again, nothing in front of me. I can throw my counterattacks and my defenses. If I need to go 180 degrees, go in that direction, which way would I go? Two options. Pivoting over the back foot, in other words, doing this. Yeah, that's 180 degrees. Once again. Pivoting over the back foot, spinning this direction. Okay? I know there's nothing in front of me. Option number two, pivot over the front leg and move the back leg. That's 180 degrees again. I'm facing that direction once again. And I did not cross. Biggest issue in classes or anywhere on the street, remember, this is matted floor, nice and flat, nobody around me. I can move any direction. You're not talking about boxing, you're not talking about Muay Thai, you're talking about self-defense scenarios. If I'm going backwards with my movement, I don't know what's behind me. I ended up tripping over and falling. I know what's in front. I can turn this direction and I can turn this direction. No problems with that. From 4 possible ways of turning, we're eliminating 2, which is basically you going backwards. That is a no-no. Forward all the time. Okay, so once again, fighting stance, step forward, step backwards, step to your right, step to your left. Pivoting over the front foot, pivoting over the back foot. That's the end of the story. So I hope you understand a little bit more about that. Bring it to the classes, whatever question you might have. Ask instructors, demonstrate. We can have different ways of explaining this to you until you understand and start moving a little bit better. Thank you.